एक आम्ही सगळ्यांनी जाणं दाखवत आहे. मनोहर पर्रीकर has been the tallest leader of Goa, and what he has achieved, no political person has achieved, whether at the center or whether in the state. He has been an illustrious son of Goa. He has been a most successful chief minister. He has been a true performer, and even looking at his stint in the state, the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji took him to Delhi, and he proved his mettle there also. He was the Honorable Defense Minister during the visit of the American President. He was the Defense Minister during the surgical strike, which changed the narrative as far as India is concerned, as a country, country which can do things on its own. And there, in the international arena, things started looking differently for India. The respect which India had totally changed thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and under him Shri Parrikar also performed so well that it was well documented. And I say this because there was a time when, for choosing Narendra Modi as the campaign manager for the Bharatiya Janata Party, it happened at the behest of Shri Manohar Parrikar, and that too it happened from the soil of Goa. So this happened only because Shri Manohar Parrikar took the initiative and saw that everybody backed him to the hilt, and that created history for a party which today is the largest democratic party in the world. It created history in terms of performance, of bringing in or kicking in reforms faster than